What's up guys, so it's time to unbox the new, beautiful, 360 N7 Pro, which is recently announced in China. So the packaging appearance is quite simple, like other 360 devices. Here at the back, some details are mentioned about the color and the storage variant. It has two storage variants, 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The phone has only one color variant, which is Phantom Black. Now let's unbox it, and have a first look on this new 360 N7 Pro. This phone is an efficient device, with a large battery and a powerful hardware. Apart from that, it also comes with stunning dual cameras. Let's remove out these seals. So we are all ready, it's time to open the package. Opening up the package, first there's a smartphone itself. Looking huge, with its massive display of almost 6 inches. Let's put this at the side. Then there's a small card, exclusively available for users of China. Anyways, let's move further. Here is an user manual, putting this at side. Apart from that, the packaging also contains this small box. Let's check out what else is provided here. Interestingly, it also contains a tempered glass, which is quite unique, as I have never seen brands providing a tempered glass with their smartphones. So I appreciate 360 for providing a tempered glass with this N7 Pro. Anyways, let's check out the other accessories now. In addition to a tempered glass, there is also a back case, which is good looking and seems like it is made of good quality material. So it is good that 360 has started focusing on protection of their smartphones. Now it's time to check out the main accessories. So, the packaging also contains a pair of standard earphones. Let's take this out. Along with earphones, there's also a pair of ear tips, which shows there's no compromise. The general style of the headphones is decent and premium, and the earbuds are compact and fancy in their design. Now let's check out the charging accessories. Here is a Type-C cable. Along with the cable, there's a fast charger, which can provide 18 watts quick charging. So that's all for a quick unboxing. Let's quickly move towards the phone itself. So, the new N7 Pro comes with an attractive design. As you can see, it has an all-glass body, which makes it a premium smartphone. The top and bottom bezels are looking more trimmed, and the display has an 18:9 ratio. As you can see, the front dual cameras are located at the left side of the earpiece, and the overall design of the phone is just beautiful. It has double-sided 2.5D glass that gives the phone a more reflective, beautiful look. Apart from that, the device has a metal frame and a premium glass covering at the back. The metallic texture at the back provides a more better grip. We are quite impressed with its metal frame, wrapped around by glass panels. The overall build of the phone is really strong and sturdy. I don't have any complaints regarding its design and build quality. As you can see, it has metallic volume rockers and a power button at the right side. Apart from that, it has a headphone jack at the bottom, along with a microphone and a USB Type-C port. Speaker grills are also present at the bottom. At the left, there is a hole for SIM tray. Interestingly, there's also a 360 design branding on the top of the SIM tray. So this shows the confidence of the company over its design and build quality. The smartphone is well compact and feels good to hold, with a thickness of 7.7 millimeters. Let's remove this plastic from the back and have a closer look at its reflective panel. Just look at its beauty, it is looking amazing in first impressions. The phone's body is crafted from sturdy metal, with a premium glass covering at the back. The phone shows different reflections, depending on how you hold it and how the light hits the surface. As you can see, it has horizontally arranged dual rear cameras at the back, along with a fingerprint sensor placed at the center. There is also a 360 branding at the back, along with some other details. Moving to the front, the N7 Pro has a 5.99-inch massive display that has an aspect ratio of 18:9. It has a large screen-to-body ratio of 86%. That provides an excellent video experience. Other than that, it still has a full HD+ resolution, like its predecessor. At least, it doesn't carry a notch, making it a suitable phone for notch haters. So until it is booting up, let me tell you its specifications first. The 360 N7 Pro is powered by a powerful Snapdragon 710 chipset. The processor is paired with 6 GB of RAM, along with 64 GB or 128 GB of internal storage. It has a massive 4000 mAh battery, with support for Quick Charge 4.0. In addition, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is super fast. The phone is running on Android 8.1 version, with a user interface of 360 OS, and this time, the phone also provides an option for full-screen gestures, which will allow users for more faster experience. So the phone is now ready, the setup has been finally completed. So as you can see, the home page is looking clean, with square-shape icons. The interface is quite simple, with a dark theme. In the notification panel, there is also an option to enable gesture controls. Let's try this. So as you can see, the gestures are looking smooth. In order to return or back, you can swipe from bottom right. And if you want to go back to the home page, you can swipe from bottom middle. The swiping controls are really snappy and fluid, with no frame drops at all. In order to open recent apps window, all you have to do is just swipe from bottom left. So we are quite impressed with its simple controls, good optimization by the company. In case you don't like gestures, you can also enable traditional navigation buttons. In addition, the navigation buttons also include a shortcut key, which is useful when you need to switch from one recent app to another recent app quickly. As can be seen, it stores your recent opened apps in memory, so that you can switch from one app to another app very quickly. So, the overall user interface of the phone is really impressive, with less amount of bloatware. Just look, how snappy is this phone? No frame drops, no lags, and a fluid experience. Everything feels responsive and extremely fast. Thanks to a powerful Snapdragon 710 chipset present inside the phone. What are your opinions about this smartphone? Would it be a better choice than all other phones under $300 price tag? Do let us know in comments below. With a powerful processor, massive battery, more RAM, and more storage, this phone is one of the best mid-ranger, with a price tag of about $290. For pricing details, you can check the description area. That's all guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to provide your opinions in comments section. Get subscribed to our channel for more videos in future, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.